Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Buffer Bit is probably one of the most innovative tools for social media management, streamlining your content scheduling and audience engagement. It's designed to help you effortlessly plan your posts across multiple platforms, analyze performance, and optimize your strategy. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, BufferBit offers a user-friendly interface and powerful features to boost your online presence and connect with your audience effectively. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120i Portable USB Nail Drill. This is the MelodySusie PC120i, a pen-shaped USB nail drill. It's designed for all your nail care needs, from shaping to removing gel. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The PC120i comes with a powerful motor and various drill bits. It can handle acrylic nails, polygel, and more. This tool is versatile for all your nail art projects. This nail drill features a smart heat dissipation system. It operates with low heat, noise, and vibration for a comfortable experience. Remember to let it rest after 20 minutes of use. With adjustable speed and forward-reverse functions, it's easy to use. The PC120i is suitable for both right and left-handed users. It will cut your work time in half. Its compact design makes it easy to carry. You can do your nails anytime, anywhere. This device is built for long-lasting performance. Perfect for home or travel use, just plug in the USB. The PC120i offers high efficiency and stable performance. Enjoy professional results with this portable nail drill. What we like. This nail drill is super compact, making it easy to take with you anywhere. It offers adjustable speed and direction, perfect for both beginners and pros. If you're looking for a portable and easy-to-use nail drill for home or travel, you should consider this one. What people say. First time using it, works great and easy to work with. Doesn't damage my nails. It's powerful and gets the job done. The instructions were pretty clear and it helped me get started on doing my own nails, so I'd definitely recommend if you're looking for a good, cheaper price for a good drill. I needed a grinder to help with a toenail that was growing back after an injury. Various attachments and numerous sanding wheels. Whatever you'll need is in the box. Number 4. 3-inch Drill Buffing Pad Kit. Introducing the 3-inch Drill Buffing Pad Kit. This kit is designed to make your car shine. It's perfect for polishing, waxing, and sealing your car's glaze. This kit is suitable for professional use. Different colored sponges have different softness to meet all your requirements. You can use it for polishing, waxing, and sealing glaze. The pads are thicker and made of high-quality materials. They are bendable, washable, and reusable. The woolen pad provides greater ability to clean up dust and polish the car. It features a portable self-adhesive design for easy use. You can change the pads in seconds. The strong adhesive allows for repeated disassembly. It's made with advanced manufacturing technology. The soft and fine workmanship won't damage the surface. It efficiently cuts and polishes the most difficult car oxidation coating and scratches. What we like. This kit comes with a variety of pads for all your polishing needs. It's designed for professional use, ensuring a high-quality finish. If you're looking to polish your car and want a kit that's easy to use, you should consider this one. What people say. This thing attaches to any common drill and does the job. Pads attach very well to the disc and it does surprisingly good job. The pads are easy to attach to my drill, and they work well for buffing out small areas and giving surfaces a nice shine. Number 3. Dremel Tool Buffing Wheel Polishing Kit. This polishing kit is designed for precision work. It's perfect for cleaning and brightening a variety of materials. The kit includes 20 pieces of felt-tipped buffing wheels. They are ideal for use with rotary tools, making them versatile for different projects. The shank diameter is 1/8 inch, 3 mm, making it compatible with most rotary tools. This ensures easy attachment and use. It comes with 10 cylinder-shaped and 10 bullet-shaped grinding heads. This variety allows you to tackle different polishing tasks effectively. This kit is best used for molds, glass, medical equipment, and metal. It will leave your items clean and bright. What we like. This kit includes a variety of shapes for detailed polishing. It's ideal for use on various materials, including metal and glass. If you like doing detailed work on small items, you should consider this one. What people say. Great little buffers. I mainly got them for buffing my iPhone screen as they clean it right away. Used with my $60 cobalt Dremel and some others, aluminum polish really helped bring my motorcycle exhaust back to life. They are easy to install and I didn't expect them to last long on heavily tarnished areas and had to replace often. On pieces not so tarnished they lasted longer. Number 2. Makartt 3XF Nail Drill Bit. This is a safety tungsten carbide cuticle remover drill bit. It's designed for cuticle work in nail art. The 332-inch size is perfect for electric nail files. Made of durable carbide, this bit offers high strength and minimal vibration. This ensures long-term use and cost savings. If properly maintained, you can use it for a long time on gel and acrylic nails. This drill bit is ideal for removing dead skin and prepping nails for art. Its compact size delivers strong power for fast and easy cuticle cleaning. It saves time in the salon. Suitable for both professional salons and personal use. It's perfect for expert nail art creation and beginner DIY nail projects. Cleaning the bit prevents it from becoming dull. Enhance your nail care routine with this versatile drill bit. It's designed to help both professionals and DIY enthusiasts create precise and beautiful nail art designs. It's a must-have tool for any nail art enthusiast. What we like. This drill bit is ultra-fine and safe for cuticle work. It's designed for efficient cuticle removal, saving you time. If you are looking for a precise and safe tool for nail art, you should consider this one. What people say. The buffer bit is a great product. It works perfectly. I highly recommend this product. Number 1. Rolybag Nail Drill Sanding Bands and Bit Set. This comprehensive set includes 242 sanding bands in various grits and 2 replacement drill bits. It's perfect for both professional use and at-home nail care. You'll have everything you need for manicures and pedicures. The sanding bands are made of durable materials that won't fall apart easily. The drill bits are constructed with sturdy stainless steel. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable performance for all your nail art needs. The set is designed to be portable and lightweight, fitting most nail drill machines. It's easy to carry, allowing you to do your nails anywhere. It's a great tool for beginners and professionals alike. These sanding bands are suitable for various tasks, including polishing, shaping, and smoothing natural and artificial nails. It can also remove gel, dip powder, and poly nail gel. The versatility makes it a must-have for any nail enthusiast. This set is ideal for nail salons, beauty shops, or DIY nail art at home. It's a great gift for beginners and a valuable tool for professionals. It's easy to use and makes doing nails fun with friends. What we like. This set includes multiple grits for all your sanding needs. It has a portable design, making it easy to carry around. If you are a beginner or professional looking for a complete sanding solution, you should consider this one. What people say. These are very nice, they work amazing, well worth the money. Very good product, I use it for my foot care device. Love the different sizes. They are perfect for all my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.